I am a geospatial researcher working with the Spatial Computing Laboratory Center for Data Science and Artificial Intelligence in IIIT Bangalore, India. More than that, I want to highlight that I am a regional chapter coordinator of India. We call it as a Region 10. See, what I do, geospatial is a vast field, right? Many people will be working with water resource engineering, SAR imageries, flood mapping, so many things. It's a very, very huge domain. So where I am a civil engineer person, but I have done my master's in geoinformatics. It's fascinating, it's a very wonderful, amazing field. And I got very interested in this field, and I thought of continuing my research in geospatial applications in urban science. What we can do with these latest technologies into the real world problem. So what I was doing, I was understanding what are the, based on my background, how I can utilize this knowledge into the real world problem. My major research topic was understanding the urban pattern, transportation relation, because urban issues are many. That itself is a very complex. So my major work was more into urban pattern analysis and what is the relationship between transportation parameters and urban parameters and how these technologies can be utilized for the future. See, that is my research, academia. Apart from academia, I was doing a lot of volunteering kind of job because I want to interact with the people and I want to share my ideas. I want to know what is happening in real world, okay? And this is actually current. I'll just come up with my history. But current, I serve as a RCC. And I did a lot of volunteering job with IGAS 2023 and INGAS, that is the Indian Regional Conference 2023, 2024. And that 24 is not happened yet. It's going to happen in December in Goa. Then what else? Yes, I got a chance to work with IEEE India Council, and we did a lot of hackathon work. And that is how the global level people has recognized me that what kind of work we are doing in an Indian level. And that is how I got to know that they have invited, like you can be a regional chapter because you are doing a lot of things in geospatial world. Then we have done many things. I just highlighted a few, hackathon, mapathon, and online webinars, conferences, many things. See, why I am here, how I am different from you, correct? See, this is the major, actually, this is very 15 minutes, because I know this, you all will be very, very excited to present your work through posters, but please be, next 10-15 minutes, just listen, okay? What I achieved through this family, the journey, I should say, okay? Then I'll just talk a little bit about GRSS Global, and next, becoming a membership. Let me know who will already be a member. Very few. Very few. I'm very, it's a shocking. But I will make sure that you all will be becoming a member after hearing my story. Okay? See? Then journey. Yes. What is the takeaway? Okay. I know that first today, Fabio also covered what globally we are doing, how big our community. What are the technical committee we have? Different, like 7 to 8 committees we have. Individual problems are resolving by individual committee experts. Then, a little bit about global activity I'll mention. See this. Why it is a global? Because there is no partiality between nations, languages, nothing. We all are facing different problems, right? Real world problem. Then how we can utilize this, and you can see this, right? This is like a regional level, like a lot of countries, and they have their own boats or they have their own license to rent the show. Then this is same, like we are dealing with remote sensing scientists, GIS, geoscience, and computer science. Many things. Many people are gathering together in one platform. Okay, see here I am representing R10, so India. So just see the GRSS chapters. Currently we have 70 chapters and 30 student branch chapters, then 12 ambassadors. But this is just a global map. But this is not updated. It will be updating soon. So what else I want to highlight here? This is all you know, you can Google it, but my stories are not at internet, so I need to talk more about that. So my journey with the GRSS, region to bus. See, before entering into this field, I was just an IEEE member, not GRSS. I was just an IEEE member when I was in 2016 and I was doing my master program. Then, okay, why I did IEEE? I need to see some papers, I need to download it, is free of cost. It was normal student, okay? Then in 2019, I joined for my research career, like I was doing my PhD. Then my professor insisted that this will be going to, because your field is you have already decided this, you are going to work in GRSS. Then be in this community, understand this, what is happening in this current world, and what is the new technologies, and what are the new papers, and who all are working in your domain. And these things was, like my mentor has insisted me to look into this new society, and then I joined GRSS, okay? I was not aware that what I'm going to get it. Just joined because my mentor told me that, oh, just join it, just like a normal student. Then I came into this field and I got a very good mentor, Dr. Jayasri Valsanayer, and she told that, because for me, I love to speak to people and talk about related to what is this exactly, because many people are thinking remote sensing is something very big thing. It is very big thing, but they will think that it is not able to digest for ourselves. So I want to make them understand in a simple way these technologies can be how we can use it, or it is not like any people can learn it if it is interested. I was making them to understand this big technologies actually. And this is Bangalore sections, how it is found. I should mention one professor named Dr. Deyasagar sir has founded this chapter in Bangalore, and what he has a group of, it's like many people has joined with his team to make it in the bigger manner. Then see the statistic in the last 20 years, last 3 to 4 years, 2020, the membership was just 37. Now you can see in 2024, it is more than 155 plus, because we were just doing a lot of conferences, seminars, and everyone will get know that, okay, this is happening. They will get know the importance of these technologies and being in this society, what are the benefits. So that is how the statistics is increased more than 155. See, this is very interesting. I'll just show. See, in here, there are different kinds of societies within IEEE, but you can see the statistics in geoscience. It's a leading, like more than 40. Then you can see, this is very important. Last time in increasing membership, it was 114. Then now it is in 1 year, 155 it is. Then one important, see here in this chart, pie chart, right? You can see the gender equality here. So female and male is more or less equal, like 50 and 38 it is. So last 2021 onwards, we have a lot of student branch chapters, almost 9 to 10 student branch chapters we have already inaugurated. We have filed our petition. So this is some kind of improvement. This is, maybe you may be very interested in this, because we were doing a lot of, I told, right, hackathon, mapathon things and all, and we were doing for some classes for a graduation level or a undergraduation level or even the post-graduation level. So because people may not knowing that after graduation, what is next. So we will be introducing this new topic to them, and they will get interested into that. And we did a mapathon. Then last IGAS 2023, I met many big people in GRSS. You can see David, and here you can see Roni, Dr. Roni and Dr. Mariko. See, these are the, like, I got a chance to meet big people in GRSS, and I could understand that what kind of work they are doing and how it is getting more useful for a student. Then in 2023 December, we did a conference. We called it as INGAS regional level. We have conducted, it was just a big event for us because it conducted in our college. Day and night we worked together to make this more success. A lot of tracks were running, And I was chairing Women in Engineering track and Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion track. This got me a chance to work in a bigger manner. And this is one of the other things, like young professional hackathon we have conducted, and through online, because 2022, and it was completely a COVID era, right? So that time it was more or less, most of the programs we conducted in online, but we could achieve a lot of programs. And you can see we, in person also, maybe 2023 onwards, we went to some colleges and we were doing a lot of community development program in geospatial world. Then, apart from a Bangalore section, I was collaborating with the Let's Talk Spatial. They are amazing, okay? Because every month, every second Saturday, they will meet people and they will conduct a lot of workshop for a kind of a new technology. They will be hands-on experience they are giving. Python or OSM data extraction, Google Earth Engine, every time they were doing a lot of different technology they were introducing to the young researchers. And based on our work, because young professional was leading by different people, they are Aman and some Amrit or someone. Amrit and Aman was working on young professional things, and they got some award from the global level, GRSS level, runner-up award, and that made us to continue working in the 2024 as well. See, apart from that, okay, once you join there, you will get a chance to hear a lot of distinguished lectures from your, maybe that will be, you will be following someone's work. So that will make you understand, you will be able to know what is the, maybe what topic these researchers will be speaking about, the professors will be talking about. So even last year, I got a chance to, not last year, this year initially, I got a chance to present my work with a global level. So then one important thing, women mentorship program, because we initially, now this is not the case, I was talking about 2 to 3 years before, women was not much dominated in our field, but now it is increasing, that is a plus point. But what I got a chance to register as a mentee, and I got because apart from our supervisor, if we get some other mentor from other institution, that is some kind of a motivation for us, because research, apart from research, we can share our maybe where we are lacking, where we are losing our confidence. Some kind of a mentorship program is there for especially for women. And the big part is I was a mentee, and next year onwards I'll be a mentor to many people, because I know how it's the show, right? And I have completed my thesis, so I submitted. Next year I can register as a mentor. So that is one good plus point, because without being in part of GRS, I was not able to know this is happening in this community. Then see my journey. Just in 2016, I was just a membership, just IEEE member, student membership. Then gradually I got a graduate student membership in 2019. I registered as that. Then based on our work, like a regional level or chapters were recognizing our work, and they have taken me as an executive committee as student representative of an entire Bangalore region. Then, see, I have highlighted one photo. Sylvia ma'am, you can have a look on this. Yes, 2023. Actually, we met to 2023, but I was not aware that we will meet in 2024. Yes, Women in Engineering program, we met there, but I didn't meet in person. But recently I saw this photograph. I was highlighting that, oh, this is kind of a family, right? So in life, we will meet someone, maybe next year we'll be going some other far. Yes. So, see, I was representing, so you can see the pictures here. I was representing INGAS, and I was publicizing my work to the team that this can happen, this is going to happen in this the time period where it is going to happen, Venu. So that made a global visibility in our chapter. We got a lot of submissions in our technical papers, and it was a great successful, and many global level recognized our INGAS work. So now, see, in 2024, I'm in a global level, regional chapter coordinator, so I have a lot of responsibility also, because I'm just reviewing so many proposals from your team, like they are main people, and that I'm able to understand this, what kind of projects they are proposing, what are the technology they are going to use it, and what are the activities they are planning for the next year. So that will make us more visibility into this GRSS field. See, little bit like how I got benefited, right? Obviously, organizing a conferences and presenting some papers, presenting seminars, and everything will give you some confidence level and even some experience in this field. And apart from that, I got a chance to work with the many mentors outside my campus, like out of India itself. I could get many connection with this. Then I am a recipient of IEEE GRSS Idea Scholarship because as a woman category, that helped me to some kind of a professional development goal. I could make it micro grants, we call it. Fabio covered in the first day, like you can apply for micro grants if you are in a minor community or a woman, or if you're facing some difficult, you can approach them. That is the biggest part in this. And as from a GRSS, I got some travel grant to present my work in IGRS. Then see student membership, see one important point. So those who are going to present for IGRS 2025, it is going to happen in Brisbane, Australia. See, registration, as a student, registration cost will be little higher, right? But the GRSS family is taking care of that. So they will give us the opportunity to work as a volunteer, because I was session manager for the 40 hours of session manager working as in IGRS 2023. But that covered my registration cost. $400 they have provided. So that is a big thing they are doing. And see, now I have included one more thing. So because next presentation, next time I have attended IADF summer school in University of Sanya, and I got a chance to be a representative of global activity teams. That is the plus point. And what is next? What will be the next? What will be next? Because I told my story, because I was running, like I was just making it fast. So I told my story. Then what? Next time you should be in this position, right? You present your work, your region, what are the things you can do it. So for that, what is the first step? You should be the member of GRSS. Correct, right? Correct. See, it is going to get benefited. See, next is, what kind of the membership you can be here. See, different kinds of those who are from industry. See, one more thing, we have an industrial academia collaboration as well, because I met many people are coming from industry. Okay, so how they are getting benefited, right? They may be lacking, they want to know who is the expertise in this field, so they can approach. So full membership for them, they can do full membership. And see, these are the benefits. You can scan it, all the details will be there in the website. And student membership, it will be little bit, cost will be little bit lesser. But those who are graduate or undergraduates, you can register as a student membership. Then once you are in the membership, after some years of work or thing, you can apply for senior membership. You can nominate by yourself, or even those who are in a senior member, they can self-nomination, or even some others can also nominate you. There are a lot of benefits being a senior member. Then without IEEE also, you can take it as, you can affiliate with the GRSS. Is it time to scan? Yes. Done? Then see what is happening, what are the opportunities within our community, and maybe next month so many distinguished lectures will be there. So many things are happening in our society. So be track on it. So once you are a member, so then you will get right, like those who are a working professional and students, you can talk to your colleagues or even your teammates. So being in this team, what are the benefits? These things you can share with others. So let your colleagues also can join in our society. It's not I love to call it as a family. Can I go next? This is a final presentation for me. See, once you formed your, once you registered with your membership, what you can do, you can just see that what in your region, those who are working in GRSS, you can talk to them, you can tell that if they have already membership, some people will already have some senior membership. Then just talk to them. If you find that more than 12 members in your locality, in your regional level, then you can register, you can do a petition for a student branch chapter as well. So student branch chapter can do a lot of, like GRSS can fund the development program. So many things are happening within the student branch chapter. So so this is very simple. First, identify who all will be organizing the student branch chapter. Then it is minimum, some criteria are there, like 12 members should be there, senior members, and 6 months of period at least should be there. Then IEEE main, that is we call it as a parent council, or they will be looking into your petition, and they will review your application. Then they will get to know that it will be approved or non approved. Once it is approved, before approving, they will send you the yes, you can go further. Then you can download that sheet. Then all the 12 members can sign it, and you can upload your whatever petition you file. Then you will get an approval from GRSS team and the main IEEE parent. So this is how this is working. So with that, I'll conclude. I can spend, maybe if you have some queries regarding, I will be here maybe till tomorrow evening.